In this video, I'm going to show you how to change background color on Acuity scheduling. Now, the first thing you have to do here on your dashboard, you want to go to your scheduling page here on the left, and then you want to go to the styles section either over here on the left or over here in the top right. Now, in here, you want to select the colors under styles over here, and then from here, you can see your color themes. Now, it doesn't really matter which one you have selected because, of course, it's completely up to you, but if you want to change the background color, simply click on this pen icon depending on which option you have selected. So of course it doesn't matter, just click on this pen icon next to it, and then in here you'll be able to change the background. So inside option 4, I can change the background by clicking on it over here and then either picking one of these colors over here like this, or I can go ahead and click on custom as well and set a completely custom color as well. Okay, so that's how to do this. Then don't forget to save it top left and you are good to go. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.